No, flip it over, it's on the wire.
Trying to train
All right, so this next one we're going to be doing forward and back movement. All right, who has not shot while moving? Okay. So we're going to walk just like we walk every day. All right. We're going to really think about how we're transferring our weight, heel to toe, all right, especially when moving forward. When we're moving back, we're actually going to be dragging our toe to heel, okay? But right now we're focused on moving forward. All right, Angela's going to demonstrate here. We like to use a water bottle, a clear water bottle where you can see the liquid. It was blue a second ago, but now it's clear. So yeah, now we're going to have Angela walk. He's going to demonstrate how to walk stable. And you can do this at home. So what you're focusing on is the water in front of you. All right? See how it's nice and even with the line here? You see how he's keeping that level. Now you see if, so I want you to walk kind of, normally. Yeah, walk normally. So you see how that water's kind of shifting inside of the bottle. All right? Now I want you to bend your knees a little bit, act as shock absorbers, and then shoot on the move. So you see that water is barely moving. So what he's doing is he's isolating the lower half of his body from the upper half of his body. He's using his knees as kind of shock absorbers, and he's keeping his torso still. He's maintaining tension in his upper body, maintaining tension in his forearms and shoulders. And he's able to actually do shots, what he'll demonstrate in a second. All right. Are you going to take the shots while your feet are up, or are you going to take the shots while both feet are down?
Down.
Yeah. So generally people are more stable with both feet down, all right? However, most people when they're stepping, when that foot hits, there's a dip, all right? And that's for me when I kind of break the shot, all right? So when I step, there's just like dip and I'll break the shot, all right? And that's kind of how you want to move. You don't want to do what's called stutter stepping, where stutter stepping is like you're walking and you're stopping, you're walking and you're stopping. You want to have kind of like a fluid movement, okay? All right, eyes and ears. And Angelo, go ahead and load and make ready. No, press ready. All right, and the goal for this one is we're gonna try and get 5 shots off before we get to that next cone. Once you get to that cone, stay facing downrange. The instructor will have you holster. Okay? All right. And there'll also be an instructor directly next to you. Make sure that you're not getting ahead of them. All right. Eyes and ears. Get ready. Stand by. Walk. Now we're going to walk backwards, all right? When we're walking backwards, we want to go toe to heel. The reason why we're dragging our feet backwards is because if we're trying to step with our heel and when there's an obstacle, we'll trip backwards. When we're going up and down stairs, I drag my toe. Just so I don't have to go down the steps, I can have a point of reference with my body to be able to know where the ground is. So Angela's going to repeat another 5 shots walking backwards. On Angela, stand by. Alright. Alright, instructors, when we're walking backwards, I wasn't right behind Angela, but we'll be right behind the students just in case they trip and fall. But again, when we're walking backwards, we want to be dragging our toe. Alright? And this way, if there's like if there's an obstacle, you will feel it, all right? And you won't be tripping over it, okay? Same thing moving forward, you'll be going heel to toe. So if there's an obstacle, you'll be feeling it instead of tripping over it, okay? All right, for this, I'm gonna have everybody line up and we're gonna count you into groups of 3.
I don't need just 3 lines of 6.
Or 3 lines of 6 if you guys can count.
3 lines of 6, I believe in you. I believe where all my public schools at. Yep. We can count to 6. 2 more over here. Hey, there it is. That's where the ALC.
instructors that are guiding the students, I want one hand on the shoulder, and if they're going too fast, I want you to hold them back. You're looking left and right. If they're going too slow, I want you to tell them to speed up. Okay? But really, we shouldn't be having to speed people up because everybody should be slowing people down if we're going too fast. Got it. Okay? And then on the way back, we're going to be right behind them in case they trip.
Copy.
Okay? All right. First people up on the line. All right. Instructors, when ready, we're going to do that admin load.
Press ready.
Oh yeah.
Press ready. Press ready.
Press ready.
All right, instructors ready. Stand by. Walk.
How many was that?
Oh, I wasn't counting.
Other one more. Okay.
Let's go to the corner.
Keep your gun out. Keep walking all the way up.
Oh. I'm sorry, I wasn't counting it.
Yeah, I wasn't counting either.
All right, walking back. Okay. And walk.
Oh, that was too many.
Keep coming, keep coming.
All the way back. Keep going.
I shot too many going forward.
Okay, hold on. One more step back. Goose. All right, slide forward. Over down.
All right, back.
Thank you. You gotta count how many you're shooting going forward. I think I counted 6. Yep. Worst nightmare. You get plenty of time. Practice, practice. There's no shame in practicing. Pop a squat and.
No, the walk. I can't even walk forward. Walking back.
Instructors ready?
That was kind of weird.
Instructors ready? Brandon, you ready?
Yep. Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
All right, and walk.
There you go. Yeah, no harm in practicing.
Every shot, every step.
What do you think, Dad?
You're good. You hit everything.
Did I? I think I hit too many times. I forgot to count to 5.
How many rounds is that one?
10. Because remember, we're only limited to 10 rounds here. So 5 going forward, 5 going back.
Okay, don't go back.
But if you forget to count, that's when you get like, oh wait, do I need to shoot more?
I think you got them all.
I think I missed 1 on going forward.
How many others left? 25?
No, 25 is like right here. Oh no, that's about 25. Yeah, about 25.
You can hear it.
All right, instructors ready?
Can you put those in
And walk.
for this exercise?
Oh yeah, yeah. I actually have.
Yeah, more.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. 10, then coming back.
Yeah. It's 5 forward, 5 back.
You can.
All right, coming back and walk.
That's a smart idea. Shoot it all first. Yeah.
Pretty close.
Yeah. Shoot it early. That way you can just walk. Yeah.
Want to take this one? Can alternate. You know how to walk. Whatever that was, don't walk it. Regular walk. Like we do every day.
I hope you're in marching band.
On the first one, I think I only did 4.
Yeah, like fording the river. Like,
It's okay. All right, instructors ready? And walk.
To just realizing that they can jump and that is cool to see, right?
It's a mental.
Yeah.
Alright, I think people change their walking. The walking is not really changing. What we're doing is we're kind of isolating our torso. So, kind of what I see a lot of people are doing this, and they're getting really close. And then they're like kind of unsure of their steps, and they're doing this. What I want you guys to do is walk, but you're isolating your arms. When we're walking back, we're walking back. Alright? Heels to toes. Right? Be more fluid. Everybody's kind of really choppy when they're walking. The thing we're doing differently now is we're prepping our trigger. It's chewing bubblegum and walking at the same time. We're prepping our trigger. You're not going to be able to eliminate all movement in the dock. There's going to be some movement. What I like to do is I kind of like to make a squiggle over the target. Prepping my trigger just like we were doing the cadence tricks earlier. And when I'm at that perfect spot where both my feet are planted, break the shot. Alright? Alright, so we'll line up again in those 3 groups.
One more thing, Dave. And then you don't have to shoot on every step. Take a couple of steps. Shoot a couple more steps. The most thing that you're doing is stop every step. Slow it down and
yeah, the point of this drill is to try to learn how to walk and shoot at the same time. We're going to play for the next 2 exercises. Alright? Walk normally. If you want to use this as shock control, really weird walking. Like, I see all you guys walking around right now, and it changed completely when we put a gun in your hand. Alright?
yeah, it's like every 2 steps.
Alright, go ahead and line up in your 3 groups. We're going to go again. This time, on the way down, I want you to fire all 10. Okay? And I want it to be more fluid.
How's it going?
Okay?
What's your name?
Ted.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to
Ashley.
meet you.
Alright, instructors, go ahead and load them.
I mean, just stand on the side of the gun that is gun.
Hey, Wayne, can you double up with them? With Benno. And then, Brandon, can you double up with them?
Yep.
Double teaming now? Yeah, I'll be with them. Okay. We're at 1. All right, instructors ready, instructors are loaded. Compressed ready. And walk. Normally.
I
forgot he said 10.
Walk back.
I thought, did he say 10, huh?
Reload.
Oh, yeah, reload.
Hold.
I guess we were doing 10. Yep.
I got 5 and I was like, oh wait, he said 10.
Yeah, I didn't even hear him, so.
All right, instructors ready? We're walking back. Stand by. Walk. All right.
Load quickly.
Unload.
Unload. Holster. Pack your mat.
10 rounds or 5 and 5? 10 rounds.
10 and 10.
10 and 10.
Yeah.
Okay, got that.
All right.
Very excited.
Just don't get halfway and shoot 5 and be, oh shoot, I gotta do 10.
So it's 10.
It's 10 that way and then 10 back. Because when you saw halfway, I was like, okay. Oh shoot, he said 10. So it's pop, pop. So I was doing step, prep trigger. Once I hit step again, fire, prep trigger, step. But then that's only for 5. When I got to 10, I was too close. I was like, oh, gotta go faster. Ugh. I totally
use my cane.
Huh?
I should bring my cane.
How's your knees though?
Huh?
How's your knees?
Bend as much. Like this is my max.
This set.
And walk.
Yeah. I just wanted, because of that tiny step. Yeah, it's tiny step. Oh, you got like this walking piece? Yeah.
I'm showing you do it on your own. You don't need to follow me.
All right, eyes and ears. So what we're doing for this drill is we're going to teach you a method to move back up range safely and in like a range like this environment, all right? A lot of ranges will allow you to go muzzle up. A lot of ranges will allow you to run up range, muzzle down. This particular range, and same thing when you're shooting competitions, your muzzle has to be pointed at that back range, okay? So we're going to take a shot here. We're going to move to that, keeping your muzzle pointed downrange. Take a shot there at that, and then you're going to move back uprange to this cone. We're not going to be stepping. We're going to be moving like our body pointed this way. Angela's going to demonstrate this, and then we're going to go take a shot here, move to that cone, shot there, and then the same thing, moving back this way, keeping the muzzle pointed that range. cone. Take your first shot. We'll give you your first time. You'll holster, and then you'll go again after everybody's gone. All right, so you'll go twice. Okay, and then this will lead into the competition mode. All right, I want everybody to get at least one more so we know everybody can do it safely before we get into the game. Okay,
When we do it with the gun.
yeah, you don't have to. Well, no, just do it live. All right, eyes and ears.
Eyes and ears.
All right, Angela's going to do this one to demonstrate real quick. Angela's going to do an admin load. If you don't get the hit, take another shot until you get the hit. Okay? All right. Shooter ready? Stand by. Oh, this thing turned off. Turn back on. All right, shooter ready? Stand by. And Angela's left-handed, so that might look weird for some of you. Do the opposite of that. So, yeah, basically when you are running up range, I'm gonna move from here to there. The gun is never gonna be pointing this way, okay? The gun's not gonna be pointed down, okay? The gun's gonna be pointed at the background. So, when you shoot and take the shot and you're right-handed, you're gonna turn out to the left, okay? So you're going to turn out to the left, keeping the gun pointed behind you, okay? You're going to move back up to this cone, and then you're going to turn to the right, the opposite. Take that shot. When I'm back to this cone, I'm going to take that shot, and I'm going to turn to the left, all right? Keeping that gun pointed downrange. You're going to move back to this cone, and then you're going to turn to the right and take a shot, okay? So basically just the opposite of what Angela did. So you're turning your body, all right? Glue your muzzle to that back berm. If it's your first time moving up range with a gun like this, I want you to do it slowly because if you do it unsafe, you're gonna get yelled at, okay? All right, who's first? We're doing this all one at a time. And then we'll line up all behind him.
Question.
Yep.
What do you want to do with our...
You have 5 rounds or 10 rounds?
Keep it in the center of your body.
Is it 5 rounds or 10
We're
rounds?
gonna have a 10 round
Oh,
magazine.
10 round
in case you have misses.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, stand in line, huh? I'm gonna be behind you or you guys gonna let me get behind everybody then.
We'll trade out.
You don't want to go last. That's the thing. You don't want to go last.
Maybe we can say like one, depending on how quickly you do that.
You're ready. Stand by.
That way, yeah.
Good skill to learn because if you ever shoot competition, you're gonna need it.
Oh, wow. That was the hard part. Is that way.
Now you gotta, why don't you guys go do it? Where they like instructors do it, or they do it?
On my own run.
I get my metal glasses. I forgot to record.
Let me get this guy going. How much were those medic glasses? That's not bad.
And you get insurance and you get free metal glasses.
I'll try that one of these days. It has a good video, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'll try that.
Oh, nice. Are you ready? Yeah. That one's the weird one.
How many more people need to go? Just you two? All right.
Yeah.
You're fine. That must make wearing Crocs on the
Putting
range.
the safety on and off, that's what threw me off. I haven't shot enough.
Yeah, but it really helps on the one church too. Forget training. It's a color
Sport mode.
I think
Hey, let him make it. Oh, is that what you're calling it?
Good?
Only one more.
Good stuff.
Did I miss?
No, I think you got